Hi everyone, this is Hillary from the Nurse Preceptor channel on YouTube. Welcome back if you're returning, and if this is your first time finding me, I'm glad to have you. Please like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos on how to take care of yourself and your loved one. I went to do a very brief product review today. I ordered a portable pulse oximeter through Amazon, and I love this. It is made by Oximeter, and it comes in this really cute little ballistic Velcro case that you can keep in your bag. You can keep in an emergency medical kit, and I think it probably does a pretty good job of keeping it relatively safe from moisture. As far as I'm concerned, every family should have a pulse oximeter as part of their emergency medical preparation kit, no different than having a thermometer on hand. It gives you a very quick way of being able to check your pulse oximetry reading, which I'll talk about more in the next video, as well as your pulse rate. So if you have any family members or loved ones who have any kind of chronic lung disease or chronic asthma, a tendency to have flare-ups, or even in the case that you have someone who's acutely ill, this can be very, very helpful to give you a minute-by-minute snapshot of how they are doing or how they're responding to therapies. This takes 2 AAA batteries. It is very easy to set up. It's easy to use. You slide your finger in it and hit the on button, and you just watch the monitor to get your readout. And you can leave it on. You can, oh, I've got it upside down. My bad. Sorry. Okay, so anyway, it gives you a readout of your pulse oximetry as well as your pulse rate. You can leave it on for just a moment to get a quick snapshot, or you can leave it on for longer if you want to track a trend, such as when someone's exercising or if someone's having a coughing spell, if they're doing a nebulizer, or if they've just taken an inhaler treatment. Okay, can give you a lot of valuable information. I think I purchased this, it was either $20 or $30 on Amazon. I will attempt to find it, and I'll put a link. If I can't find this exact one, I will find something similar. I really think you should have one of these. They're very, very useful. All right, so I'll check you guys later. I will have another video up later about how to do pulse oximetry and some of its applications. All right, take care. Bye.